Okay, so I got some wood from a tree that was cut down. It's a live oak tree. Um, I'm going to attempt to do some cross cutting with it with my Sawzall. So let's see how this goes. All right, let's see what this grain looks like. Looks pretty cool. It's kind of hard to see with the red stain from the Sawzall blade, but I definitely am going to need to invest in a chainsaw. Well, I'm back and I have a chainsaw. Got a Ryobi electric. It's just a 14 incher, but so far it's been great. Let's cut some wood.